So a question I get a lot is, how do you make money on pocket option? So in this video, I'll cover all the different methods you can use to make money, which ones are riskier, which ones are less risky, which can make you the most money, and so on. So let's dive right in. So the first method you can make money with is, of course, trading. So you can trade stocks, right? You can trade currencies. You can trade all sorts of different things, okay? And all these different things have slightly different strategies that you can leverage. So you trade cryptocurrencies as well. And you also trade commodities, right? Gold. Along with stocks that I already went through, indices, and a lot more. So there are a lot of different asset classes that you can trade with. You just have to find what suits you the best and what strategies works best for you. So I would recommend starting out with a demo account. If you want to test certain strategies out, it's very simple to do. All you have to do is sign up for a pocket option account using BeCoin.net. And so you just go to BeCoin.net, click pocket option there, and you'll be directed to the pocket option sign up page. And from there, you can test any strategies you want. And when you want, you can deposit some money in to actually do real trades. And when you sign up through BeCoin.net, you actually get 50% off your first deposit on pocket option. So this is by far the most popular strategy to use to use pocket option to make money. Now you can also do AI trading, right? So you can set certain parameters, and these parameters will trade for you automatically. So I definitely don't recommend this for beginners, especially if you've never done AI trading before, because this can be very, very risky, especially if you don't have any experience with it. And you lose a lot of your money really fast, especially if you don't know what you're doing, okay? Now, how do you know the best strategies? Like, what are the best ways to leverage the best strategies? Well, one way to do this is actually do something called social trading. So you can look at the top traders, right? And you can see which makes the most money. And under social trading, you can choose traders that made $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 today, and you can copy their trades exactly. So how that works is basically all you have to do is just deposit some money into your account. And after you deposit some money into your account, what you have to do is just select that and and add how much money you want to trade with, copying that trader's trades. So it's very simple method. You can also do tournaments, which is definitely a more advanced thing. So this is definitely a more advanced thing. So you can do hour play or day off, and you can make plenty of money that way. And you can also make plenty of money doing referrals as well. So if you refer people, then you'll actually get a decent chunk of money as well. So if you know plenty of friends, or you're an influencer, let's say, then you can definitely promote pocket option to get referral money, okay? So there are many different methods to make a lot of money on pocket option, and I just covered some of the best ways. I definitely recommend starting out with trading, and when you're more comfortable with the platform and all, and you trust that the social traders are doing good work, and you see the trades and the trades make sense to you, then you can start copying some trades, okay? And once that starts making you a little bit of money, maybe I would dabble into AI trading a little bit. And tournaments is just an extra, along with express trades, and things like that. And if you want to do faster trades, you can learn the hotkeys right here to make the trades as fast as possible. And when trading, you have to be very conscious of the time you're doing. So how the trades work is you set a time, okay, and you select your candle length, or if you want line, I really don't like lines, but if you like lines, you can choose lines, right? And it'll be a whole different thing. I like candles better because I can read the charts better. But you basically select your chart type, your times, the amount you want to invest, and then you buy or sell. So buy or sell will give you, we'll set, let's say this time, I can say, put this in an example right here. So let's say I want 5 seconds right here. I want this to go up within 5 seconds, okay? And if it goes up within 5 seconds, then I profit, okay? I profit a set amount. So here the payout is 53%. So you can see the payout right here as well. So payout here would be $20 plus the $10.60, which I did gain. Okay, so these are all the methods you can make money with pocket option. I hope you found this video helpful, and happy trading. If you want trading forecasts on things like cryptocurrencies and currency exchanges, visit BeCoin.net. And if you want 50% off your first deposit, also visit BeCoin.net, because we offer 50% off your first deposit on pocket option.